Hey, good morning, guys. So we're here in Mexico City. Amy's taking a shower right now, getting ready for the day. All week I've been telling her that we're taking a couples photo today. It's something that we do in all the locations we travel to. We try to create a kind of a creative couples photo. We did one in Thailand and we did one in Belize and a few other places. So she got a special dress. I brought my suit, so we're gonna get dressed up and go take that photo. But what she doesn't know is actually I'm gonna be proposing to her here in Mexico City. So I am so excited to do it. I can't wait. Like I said, she has no idea. So if you're trying to trick your girlfriend into not knowing, just tell her that you're taking a couples photo. I didn't tell like any of my friends, barely any family at all, just a couple people. I went and met with her dad and got his blessing and everything before we came here. But I just can't wait to do this today. It's gonna be so fun, and she has no idea. So thanks so much for watching this, guys. I'm super excited to share it with you, and hopefully she says yes. So here we go. We've been kicked out of like everywhere just trying to get a photograph today. So get it right here. Will you marry me, Amy? Yes?
He told me we were taking a couples photo. I figured it was just like our photos in Belize and Thailand and other places that we've gone. So I definitely wasn't expecting for him to propose. It was really magical, even though our first couple of places did not quite work out.
Yeah, we got kicked out of the first spot I thought we were gonna go to because they wanted to take my bag with the camera in it and my tripod. And then the second place, the post office, as soon as I opened the tripod, the police came over to me and they were like, "You can't do that." And I'm like, please, like trying to beg to this guy, like, come on, just let me in, you know?
I was like, wow, he's really dedicated to this picture.
Yeah, and then we walked around for what, like an hour?
At least.
At least an hour going through the park, and like, she's like, this spot's fine. I'm
this
like,
is pretty, like, why not here?
I'm like, not magical enough.
Finally, he asked me if a spot that we came to is magical enough, and I thought it was just beautiful, so I said yes.
And then we took some photos together, as you saw, and then she said yes.
So we got engaged in Mexico City on September 29th?
September 29th, 2019. Yeah, super awesome, super excited, and thank you guys so much for joining in and watching with us.
Thanks for joining our journey.
Like and subscribe for more!